of prayer, a time of meditation, a time of focusing on being that benefit to ourselves, to our world, to our community. And so we center ourselves right here in this now divine moment, connecting with the light, the love, the peace that we are. We allow that peaceful presence to move through us as light, as love, as the very presence of spirit that unites us all. In this moment, right here, right now, right where we are, we choose to focus our attention on that presence of spirit, on its light, on its love, on its healing grace. Allowing spirit to flow through us. We move now into this sacred time, choosing here and now to know and trust that that light, that love, the divine presence that we are, supports us. For we are free and unlimited in spirit. We are alive in the presence of God that is us. And so in that freedom, we know that right here and now, we are free to express love, to express wisdom, to express strength. And so we make our conscious choice now to express those things, love, wisdom, strength, wholeness, into our world. And so with that as our intention, we enter now into the silence. And ever so gently, we feel ourselves being drawn back to this time, to this place, knowing and trusting that that power, that presence of spirit continues to inspire us with love, with wisdom, with strength throughout the day. And so right here and right now, we make the choice to call on that presence, to allow it to inspire us, to guide us, to support us with its wisdom as we move throughout this day, throughout this week. And for that divine support, we are grateful. And so it is. Amen.